Hello all the beautiful peoples of my audience, good evening. I hope and wish that you are fine. I am so good. So if you are first on our tech channel, please kindly do subscribe at first. And today I'm gonna show you a incredible mouse and a headphone. So many people are requested me to make a video on a mouse and a headphone. So in this video I'm gonna show you a good quality mouse and a headphone. Okay, so at first I would like to show you the mouse. So guys, in the home screen you can see this is Logitech G502 Hero High Performance RGB gaming mouse. I repeat that this is gaming mouse. Okay, so this is RGB gaming mouse. Just look at its design. Wow, this is totally cyberpunk related, like literally an amazing design with a incredible body shape, and the most attractive thing is its color. Just look at its color. Its color is literally so charming and attractive. Light black, okay, not fade or matte black, this is actually light black. So this is actually very attractive mouse, I think so. Okay, fine, that's cool. Okay, that's okay, right? So this is Logitech G502 Hero High Performance RGB gaming mouse. So what are the price of this mouse, guys? You know that this is a gaming mouse, and for that reason this mouse price is very high. Not so high, but this is actually not average price. Like this is a A4 mouse in my hand, its price almost 500 taka, okay, but this Logitech G502 high performance gaming mouse price is 5,200 taka. Okay, so this mouse price is 5,200 taka. Yes, this is available in stock. Product ID 10250, brand Logitech, product model G502 Hero, warranty 2 years. They will provide you 2 years warranty, and total review based on reviews. And this is Logitech G502 Hero High Performance RGB gaming mouse. Connection type wired USB, optical sensor resolution, Hero features optical sensor. Okay, this is wired USB. I repeat that this is not wireless mouse. This is wired. I mean it will carry a cable. Okay, my dear audience, and the cable length of this mouse is 2.10 meter. I think this is actually average cable length. 2.10 is max medium. Okay, so the acceleration is 40 G2, button 11 programmable buttons, 16.8 million color support. Okay, mechanical switches, weight 3.g gram, only 3.60 gram. Okay, and the coolest thing is you will get 2 years warranty with this mouse. Wow, you will get 2 years warranty with this mouse. Can you believe it, guys? This is Logitech high performance RGB gaming mouse, and this is high performance gaming mouse, built-in advanced optical sensor for customizable RGB lighting, maximum tracking accuracy, custom game profiles with 200 dpi resolution. There are 16.8 million colors and synchronized lighting animations, which will capture your G devices by using next generation's RGB. So the Hero RGB gaming mouse is complete with Windows 7 or later macOS. This means you can easily use this mouse on different types of devices. Okay, so there are a lot of positive review about this mouse. I really liked it and love it, and for this reason I show you this mouse to you. I hope now you can understand. Okay, my dear audience, so next, So what are next, guys? The next is headphone, and this is also a gaming headphone, but this is not so high price. Okay, this is actually very average price. So this is Logitech headphone, guys. This is Logitech Bloody G230 stereo surround gaming headphone. Just look at this, is actually RGB gaming headphone, guys. Okay, if you can see, this is RGB gaming headphone. Yeah, that's right, this is RGB gaming headphone. This has microphone, and this is wired. I repeat, this is wired gaming headphone. So the product price is 1700 taka, and the special price of this gaming headphone is 1500 taka. Stock status available in stock. Product ID brand A4 Tech, product model Bloody G230P, warranty 1 year. It will provide you 1 year warranty. So frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz, sensitivity 100 dB diamagnet 50 mm, impedance 16 ohm, connector 3.5 mm port, connectivity wired, microphone frequency 100 kHz, microphone sensitivity 42 dB, color black. This headphone color is black, I repeat. So whose our favorite color is black, they can easily purchase this headphone. Okay, my dear audience, and the cable length is 200 centimeter, and the PC extension adapter is 15 centimeter. Okay, and the warranty of this headphone, they will provide you 1 year warranty. Okay, so all overall thing, I personally prefer this headphone. I think this headphone is so good with its body shape, with its So this is A4 Tech Bloody G5 stereo surround gaming headphone. Okay, fine. This is RGB gaming headphone. So this is actually very attractive, guys. I literally love this, and the most important thing is price. If you are a student, you can purchase this headphone because this price is very medium, only 1500 taka. You can purchase this headphone with this minimum price. So I think this is very budget friendly headphone, and that's the reason I'll show you this headphone. So I think you will like this video, and please, my dear audience, if you like this video, then just do and order this headphone, because this headphone is literally amazing, and also this mouse is I really love. But the mouse price is very high, I know, because it is a RGB gaming mouse. But you know, if you want to purchase a good quality product, then you need to purchase, and if you need a good budget. Okay, but I will try to provide you a gaming headphone which is very budget friendly. So I hope this will be very helpful for you. So without any hesitation, you can do and order this headphone right now. So my dear audience, this is our today's tech video. How you have enjoyed this video? Please do comment below on this video sections and inform me, and which device and gadgets would you like to watch next. Please comment below. I will try to learn, and I will try to show you that device and gadgets on next. Thank you so much. Stay connected, and please keep supporting us, and please do subscribe our channel, because it will be encourage me to make more tech videos for you. So please, my dear all the tech lovers, keep supporting me, and please kindly do my channel. And that's it. See you another day, another beautiful day with a new device and gadgets. Until that time, supporting us, press the subscribe button, and that's it. Goodbye. Take care yourself, all the tech lovers.